hot food. We sit down to eat, and the potatoes have been hot. Somebody put a little bit on my fork and I blow. Till it's cool, just cool, and into the mouth. Nice. And there's my brother, he's doing the same. Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice. There's my mum, she's doing the same. Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice. But my dad, what does he do? He stuffs a great big chunk of potato into his mouth, and then that really does it. His eyes pop out, he flaps his hand, he blows, he puffs, he yells, he bobs his head up and down, he spits a potato all over his plate, and he turns to us and he goes, "Watch out everybody, the potato's really hot."